PowerTeacher now has a customized capacity to report discipline issues through the book pack icon located on your start page. The first thing to know is that you can only report discipline issues for students that you actually have in class. They need to be accessible through the class list that's available at the start page. To begin a discipline report, click on the backpack next to the class in which the student is enrolled. From this screen, you'll click on the name of the student to pull up this screen. And it's important to note here, if you are a West Senior High School teacher, that you should note which house the student belongs to. In this case, it's Athens. These are our neighborhoods. This will help direct the referral to the correct principal. And we go to Select Screens and select the Submit Log Entry option. That brings us to this screen, and you'll notice that the entry already includes the student name. From here, you'll begin entering the information that's required. Select this to select the date. We'll select today's date. Enter your name and employee ID, and then select Discipline from the log type. Teachers will only have Discipline as an option in this drop-down menu, but other users have different options, which is why you'll see that as a drop-down menu. Subtype is what kind of discipline it is, and you'll notice that the small m means that it's minor. Here's minor disrespect, and the other one is the major form of that. So we'll say, we'll select minor disruption. And in the log description box, you'll notice these hash marks. You can drag that box larger so you'll have more room to type. So let's make a short entry here. We noted that the neighborhood that Frank belongs to is Athens, and so we put that at the beginning of the entry, and then a summary of what happened. Incident location. For many teachers, this is the classroom. Time of incident, and we've been asked to ask you to submit these in increments of 15 minutes so that it can be tracked more easily with our other data software. So if it happened at 2:10, you could put 2:15. Perceived motivation, others involved, teacher's method of contact. Those are all drop-down menus where you select the options as needed. For teacher's method of parent-guardian contact, either answer according to how you did contact the parent or how you plan to. When you're done, you'll click on Submit, and that will send a record to each of the building principals and each of the administrative assistants. If you have a question about whether or not your report has been handled, you can go to the log entries and scroll down, and you'll find previous log entries at the bottom. If the issue has been handled by an administrator, you will see a code down here. In brackets will be the word completed. That's an indication that the discipline item has been dealt with, and to complete the loop, you should receive an email from the administrative assistant of a PDF that includes all of the information relevant to the consequence.